Keith McCrone here from Premier Fleet Care, and I want to say thank you to all my Premier Fleet customers. Thank you very much for your business. I've got this little, let's just say, flush series going on where we're talking about flushing and maintaining your vehicle. We talked about the transmission flush. I want to talk about the power steering flush. A lot of people don't even know that there is a flush machine that will flush out your power steering system. Now, if you're somebody that had to go in there and replace the power steering pump, let's say a power steering rack, or maybe even a gearbox, you're going to find that that repair could be quite expensive. There's probably 3 or 4 repairs that are really expensive on vehicles, and that's going to be an engine replacement, a transmission, something in the air conditioning related to a compressor or condenser, and then moving next would be going into power steering. Now, what happens in the power steering, the fluid gets contaminated. You're going to say, how does the fluid get contaminated? Well, just moisture is out there in the air, and moisture gets into the brake or the power steering fluid, and it starts to break down that power steering fluid. And when it breaks down the power steering fluid, what happens, the temperatures in the power steering system rises, and when that rises, that's when you start to see failures in the pumps, along with the power steering racks and the gearboxes. Now, we check the power steering fluid level and also to make sure it's not contaminated every oil change that you come in. But when would I recommend taking care of a power steering flush? Well, I put that in the same category as the transmission. I'd recommend getting that fluid out of there every 50,000 miles, especially you folks with those fleet vehicles, because those vehicles are a lot of stop and go traffic. The vehicles are running on site for a long period of time. And at the same time, we're dealing with all different types of temperatures here in the greater Cleveland area, right? We have winter, we have summer, we have fall. So that, let's just say, contaminates the fluid as well, or makes the fluid even work harder. So flushing out your power steering system, we use a flush machine, removes 100% of the fluid from your power steering system to make sure that you're not putting any unwanted repairs into your power steering system. If you have any questions, simply give us a call, 440-525-2327. And always, we appreciate your business.